Hello, welcome KahindoTech. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll show you to change your address on Domino's Pizza app. Like I said, I'll show you to change your address on Domino's Pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's app. Once you open up your app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look in the upper left hand corner, we're going to see the three white lines. Make sure to tap on those three white lines. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, make sure you're going to see your name. Then also you're going to see where it says welcome to Domino's. So make sure you tap on that. As you tap it, then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. And look where it says saved addresses. As you guys can see right there, make sure you tap where it says saved addresses. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As you see my address right there, what you're gonna do, just tap on my address. Then you can change it right here. If you so as you change it, make sure you're in the range of being able to deliver. So you can change your address. As you guys can see right there, I just changed my address right there. So make sure you change it to the one that you have. Let me do that. So as you guys can see that, once you change it, look on the upper right hand corner where it says apply, and make sure you tap where it says apply on the upper right hand corner. Then you're gonna see right there your address switch, and that's how you change your address on Domino's Pizza app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.